What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, boys? We active now. We are active. Let me just get my screen on. Fix this real quick. There we go. All right. We good now. We good. I was just getting everything set up on my other phones and everything. I was getting my trading account. Bring this camera over here. So when I gotta, cause I'm starting this recording this 1K account build. So I'm gonna be, if you see me recording with a camera, next for the next couple months, you never know, here and there, I might not necessarily say anything on the spot. So, but hey, if anyone's hearing this right now, then you know what's up. For everyone that did it, sorry for the confusion. But all right, we're about to get right on into this. Right now, I changed I changed my trading view chart to one that matches better on the broker, but it ended up having like a gap for some reason here. And I know majority of other people don't see a gap right now. So that's one thing I'm keeping in mind. We're about to get into it. We're going to mark up the previous day's high, previous day's low. Previous day's high, previous day's low. We haven't ran neither of them. We're kind of in a range right now. We're going to mark up the Asian session range. So from 18 o'clock, boom, all the way to midnight. We're going to mark up this box of price. Boom. And you can see the Asian range high has already been ran through. You can see price is kind of staying below it as of right now. One thing I do think that could happen is we could potentially still make a run for these lows before still going higher. What I am going to do is I'm going to pull a fib from this low, which is the previous day's low, to the current day high, and that also lines up within that area. Boom, boom, boom. Now that this area right now is an area of interest for me personally. That's also around 800 big figure level right in here. So boom. Now we're going to look at the other side. So what could happen bearish wise? As of right now, price is in this area where it did start to have this drop in price. So we could end up seeing this as being a long-term move, but we could still end up potentially even getting our move that we want to see still happen. It's the type of thing where we're going to have to just wait and be patient. But for right now, I'm waiting. I'm just waiting until 9 o'clock, not 9 o'clock, 9:30 to open. Let me check a higher time frame, maybe the 1 hour. The only thing that's keeping me away from these buys is just the fact that everything is extremely bearish, and I'm not trying to go against the trend currently. But we gonna see what happens. We gonna see what happens. But right now, everything's extremely bearish. I ain't gonna lie. So these buys could be risky after going for these buys around this area. Definitely can be risky. But it's definitely possible nonetheless. Still following the system rules. It's just the type of thing where we didn't really get much breaks of structure. So I might just end up trying to wait personally. I might wait to see if we get that reaction off this level, then just get in after the fact. We'll see, because it's already continuing this fib. So it could end up just keep coming lower, keep trending. But I'm gonna just wait. We have FOMC news later, so we could end up just even ranging until then. A lot of things just to be aware of. What's going on, bro?
Good, bro. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
That's great. That's great.
Hmm.
You already up?
So what?
You up already?
Yeah, I'm always up.
What's up?
We gonna see what
So what's
happens.
popping today? Do you think we're bearish or we're bullish?
Honestly, I'm not sure what I am right now. It's the type of thing where I'm just waiting. I would want to see buys happen maybe after we clear these Asian session lows around 10,800. But at the same time, we're extremely bearish and everything is just dropping and dropping. So I'm not sure if I want to take a counter trend trade.
Oh, yeah, I feel you, bro.
But it could definitely happen. If I miss it, I miss it. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're dropping right now. I don't know. I look, you want to wait till the open to even think about getting into a trade. But I definitely think that we might see a reaction around this 10,800 area. We'll see how price reacts. I'm not gonna get in.
It would be way too soon to enter now.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wait till the open. If I miss it, I miss it. Now we're coming down into that level though for sure. See if we clear these lows. Yeah, we're getting that reaction off the level for sure. We'll see. We ain't cleared the Asian session low yet. What's going on, bro?
Yo, what's up, bro?
You doing good?
Yes, sir.
So I like to hear.
How about yourself?
Doing good, doing good. Finally able to get back on the charts. Haven't traded the last 2 days.
That's good. That's good. Your account straight now?
Yeah, I finally got everything I needed to do organized. That account should be annoying verification, and it was Columbus Day Monday, and it was just like fucking me up. These bank holidays, they be fucking shit up.
Oh, my computer's dead.
You said your computer's up? I don't know if today's gonna be a day we get a reversal though. It's possible, but
What you looking at? Nah.
I think right now I'm better off getting looking for buys from where we are in price. I wouldn't look to sell until at least we fill in this gap. Some people might not see a gap, but personally on my thing, there's a gap for some reason. But it's
I
just
was just gonna ask you, how does that happen?
yeah, I don't know certain brokers sometimes, but this is like right when 8:30 happens, so this is like when the news came. So that's why you guys probably see a down candle. But if you look at the down candle, it's just a fair value gap on that candle anyway. So it's essentially the same thing, just a gap. You get what I'm saying? So that missing part, I know it's just a down candle, essentially.
Okay.
Like for honestly, I could just do this. Watch this. Gotta cheat the system. Fuck you talking about? There we go. It's just a down candle to me. But nah, yeah, I think we're definitely gonna get a reaction from 10-800. I just don't like what time it is. I wanted to wait till the open, ideally. I don't know if we run these Asian session lows and then stay back above 800. I might potentially think about just getting at 800.
Okay, okay.
But I want to see it run that low first, so it'll make me more sure that we'll go higher. I don't want to get in now and then we end up coming to get this low. I'd rather just wait. And
Yeah,
then,
I ain't gonna lie, that's what I did. I entered way too early on my trade I took. I could have made way more money.
yeah, and it's better off. If I miss it, I miss it. But if I'm able to get in around the low, my stop loss would be better off around 35, 35 points around there. I
Mm,
think that would be valid. I just don't want to see the previous days low get ran. That would be safe stop for anybody around 70 points. But risk reward wise, this you'll only be getting about a 1 to 2 if we run this high. Like I want to make sure that in case price doesn't run as high and all we do is fill this gap right
mm.
here, I want to make sure I'm able to get out from this area. If that makes sense.
Yeah, it do.
Because I know that there's still a chance that we could still end up falling lower. Because I know that how bearish we are in price, how that's why the only reason it's kind of risky going for a counter trend trade. But if I'm able to get out, say around somewhere up here, and then leave a runner, I'll be good. Because then there's still a chance that price pushes
Yeah.
and then still goes lower. But I will already be capitalizing on it.
Okay, okay, that make more sense now.
But sometimes it's also you gotta. That's the good side, but now you got to look at the bad side because there's always pros and cons. If I'm doing that, there's a chance that price might come low and stop me out first because I'm using a smaller stop loss. So I might have to take 1 or 2 trades sometimes to try to catch it. Sometimes I might catch a reversal the first time, but that's not always likely because reversals are hard to catch. If you get in a good area, like I'm saying, if I'm able to wait for this low to get ran first, then it'll be a higher likelihood that it could potentially reverse there. But I could miss it, type of thing. There's always pros and cons to each, but it's always about higher probability at the end of the day.
Okay, okay. Makes sense. Oh yeah, you was right. That missing space is a
It's just
down
like a down
candle.
candle, yeah.
Yeah.
Cause on my broker, it's not a gap. But I like this. I like this one right here because this matches the price of my broker. Like it's almost identical price. So even though there's a gap, it is what it is. I'll take the gap. But the other, I like how it's a very similar pricing, and it's not off. So if I'm looking at this and I know where my stop loss is on TradingView, I know where it is on my broker. This makes it easier.
Okay. You are on TradingView, right?
Yeah, I'm on TradingView, and then I have MetaTrader right here, just on my
You
phone.
use MetaTrader 4 or 5?
5. I love 5. Some brokers don't allow 5 though.
Might switch over to that. I've been using MetaTrader 4.
5 is, bro. Once you go to it, it's lit. Cause you can move the stop loss from your screen.
Yeah, I was watching a YouTuber actually last night that just told me that.
Like you could do that, bro. It's way better. Trust. Ask Jenner right now. Jenner, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5.
5.
Yeah, see, I'm telling you, bro. MetaTrader 5 is the way.
Smoother.
And you can
So
move the stop loss, bro. That changed my life.
Oh yeah, from the screen. It's
Changed my
different.
life, bro. You don't have to type in the numbers no more. I know you're tired of it, bro.
Mhm. Mhm.
I know you're tired of it, bro. Just make the switch.
MetaTrader 4 is like
yeah, I'm
for
finna do
beginners.
that.
It's way faster. It's more efficient.
I feel like MetaTrader 4 is what you use if you just try and get started. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I had open 2 accounts on MetaTrader 4 as a demo and a live.
Yeah, it's cool. Like it's essentially the same thing, but it's just gonna look cleaner and be way like it'll just be able to visibly be better, if that makes sense. Visually.
That nigga really scared me with those bank statements. He talking about the banks close their positions.
Who?
Why? I don't know whoever sent it in the chat.
Let me see. When
He
was that?
said the banks closed their long positions. I think it was Wolverine.
How long ago?
It was literally like last night, right before. I'm gonna just reply to you. Reply it. Mr. John, I just said word to.
No, they didn't take his stuff. They didn't cancel his shit. You had to be fried reading that. That's what you got out of that.
You said what?
I said you have to be fried reading that. If you thought he closed his banks, like yeah, you had to be fried reading
No,
that,
no,
bro.
no. He ain't closed that. He said the banks are closing their
Hey,
long
did you
position.
get in it?
Oh yeah, I thought you said he had like his banks close his statements. I was like,
Oh no,
huh?
no, 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 no. He's saying like banks are
Yeah,
starting to
he has
take
like
out
the
their long.
I forget who it was. It was like ICT. He was like, notice how who was it? I don't know if it was him or not, but
Nah, it was ICT.
ad
Yeah,
campaigns are
I
not spending
peeped that
money,
shit.
some
I
shit like
peeped
that.
that shit. They're like, it seems like they're saving their money for
Mm-hmm.
something. Because I'm not gonna lie, I've only seen one ad, and it's been for the same nigga over, and it's been them trying to get us to not vote for him. You feel me? I'm not gonna lie, they be devious with them, John.
Not real shit. But with the way prices moving, I think we might be able to get a drop going into the open again to maybe finally clear these lows at 9:30. Then I'll probably look to go long. But depending on how prices moving, I might get in or I might not get in. But we'll see. Because any sells, I think if price really wants to sell, it probably should by now. It already had this, but we do have these highs up here that could end eventually get ran through. But I don't know if price is gonna make a push today. I don't know if he's gonna make a reversal. It's kind of a
I mean,
risky move.
it fucking should make a push. This should be on Woody.
We're just right here at the weekly low, so there is a chance that we could still push higher. But at the same time, I'm not gonna play Mr. Captain Save a Ho with this pair. You feel me?
No, I hear you. What you call it? The area it came down and rejected into though was a very like high confluence area.
Yeah, I just want to see it come down, maybe clear the Asian session low.
I hear you. It didn't do that. Oh no, it
Mm-mm.
didn't.
Came
Came
close.
close.
That's what I'm saying. I'm
Yeah.
like,
It could have. What do they call it? Is it a mitigation or a rejection block? Could have ran into one of those. I think it's a rejection on the 15 because it definitely went into that candle, that low candle.
yeah. Oh, no, I want to see it run that low first. It'll make more sense. It's still got 9 minutes in this candle, so we'll see. I think we can
Okay.
close bearish potentially. So
Yeah, at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if the market was to just make a random flip to the south side at any point. How's y'all niggas week been?
this is gonna be funny. I seen a post. He said, "Your body, my choice." I was like, "Damn, niggas are devious, bro."
What he said?
He said, "Your body, my choice."
Wait, what? Different.
That's fucked. This is fucked,
Niggas is different. So tell me how I was just in the bathroom, bro, and I reach for the toilet paper and there's a fucking spider on the flap you grab to
bro.
like pull it out
I
for
would
you.
have put him down.
Nigga, did I? Oh my god, bro.
I would have put him down. He's trying to set
Nigga,
you up.
I grabbed the whole roll for some reason. It's morning shit. Bro, that nigga I see him on the flap. I chucked that shit at the floor. I'm like, what the fuck?
Nah, he was setting up. He knew where he was going.
Like, why the fuck was he on it like that,
He
bro?
know where he
Like,
was going, bro.
how the fuck did he even get on? Nigga had to traverse the fucking toilet paper jar to get on. Like, you feel me? Like,
Nah, real shit.
Went through treacherous terrains and shit just to give me some bullshit in the morning. Like, nigga, you dead now.
He said you dead now.
What up?
Should've just mind your business.
What's up,
Don't
Kyle?
be in my bag.
What's cracking, Rico? I mean, my fault.
Cracking, whacking.
Rico, big Rico.
Big Reek.
Where the fuck is Kel at?
He's right there. You see it?
Shit.
my
Nah,
fault.
not
Who's
on my
Cal?
phone.
Who's Cal? I mean Rico.
Oh, nigga, I'm Spider-Man.
You mean Spider-Man?
Man got a whole picture of me.
Real shit.
Spider-Man with the dude.
I just realized the nigga got a do-rag on his head, Spider-Man.
Everyone got a do-rag, except for me. I took mine off.
Shit ain't complete with
Matter
that.
of fact,
Completely
I'll go
number.
put my do-rag on too. Fuck it.
Damn. I'm about to go get mine. And my hair not even cut.
Shit, mine not even.
Change. Are we only trading NAS? What about US30? But
US 30? I mean, that should be. The reason we trade NAS over US 30 is because the setups are less volatile. And they just, you know what I'm saying, are easier to read. Also, the stop losses aren't as drastic because US 30 moving like 30 points off the spike. That should be devious.
Mhm.
so what time is it in America now, gang?
9:23 a.m. Eastern time.
Nah, we all in
I
now.
don't know about that.
Oh, shout out all the way from SA. How you know South Africa?
What, you're in South Africa?
Yeah, Cape Town.
What time
Yeah,
is it
Cape
over
Town.
there?
Thorough.
Sorry,
What time
So
is
what
it?
time is it over there?
what time?
Yeah, be like early in the morning.
It gotta
Three.
be early
Three.
or
3
late.
o'clock.
3.
GMT plus 2.
Oh, 3
3
p.m.
3 afternoon.
3 in the
That's not
afternoon.
bad.
PM.
It's not that bad.
So I can trade in Africa and be
Yeah,
happy.
it's the
You could probably do it
fellows
all
also
day.
from.
Yeah, you could do it all day. You can go London session and then New York.
That'd be hard.
Yeah,
Yeah, that'd
yeah,
be
London.
30.
London
Africa
starts
on
at
y'all,
8.
man.
That would be thorough. You go wake up, trade London, go eat
I
lunch,
can't.
go trade New
I don't
York,
know where I'm gonna settle down yet. So I think
and then
I'm
you
gonna
go to
settle
sleep
down
for
on that
Asia.
Asian.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously,
Oh
when I
my
move
god,
to
that's
Asia,
amazing.
that
Yeah,
shit just gonna
yeah,
be
yes,
up in
we
the
sleep
morning.
during Asian season.
Oh yeah, see,
Mm-hmm.
makes sense. Fuck Asian session.
No, I'd rather sleep during the close.
What? When's that?
The fucking 5 p.m. for us.
I don't even know what time that would be for them.
I
Well, if
fear
it's 9 now,
being
it'd be the nighttime. Yeah, it'd be like
Mm,
overnight.
yeah, that's for an Asian session too.
Yeah,
Like going
it's
into
fear
it.
being every day, right?
Like-
Asian, London,
like Asian goes
New
to the
York. What's
close.
the fourth one?
It's like Frankfurt, Tokyo, some
Have
shit.
any of you guys been to Cape Town?
Is it Tokyo? It is Tokyo. Tokyo is the slowest one. Right? No, that's Asian. Tokyo is Asian.
That's what I'm saying. I
I'm
don't know. I
about to
think it's
look it
a.
up.
I think it's like mixed.
4 trading sessions. Sydney session. That's the lowest one or slowest
Sydney
one.
is.
Less
I don't even
volatile.
know when Sydney is. I ain't gonna lie.
That's the one that's right after
I
5,
forget.
like right after the open. That's what happens until Tokyo. Oh, they overlap, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
That's just
Because
trash.
Tokyo session starts at like 9, I think, for our time.
I thought Tokyo session opened at 7.
What time zone are you in?
Huh?
What time zone are you in?
I'm in Tampa. I think East Coast.
Oh no, yeah. To Tokyo is 9 o'clock. I'm pretty sure.
Damn, do I have this wrong? All right, hold on. So
Now
for Sydney,
it's been a while. You could be right still though. Let me not set anything in stone.
Let me go. I'm gonna just
I
go
don't
to my
wanna-
course. I
yeah.
got it in the course. Let me just go to that shit.
Go ahead, course man. Go
Cause
ahead.
I
course
don't know
man.
it by heart, but I have it in there.
hey, read out the times because for Sydney, I got it.
I have
open
it
at
like
4
different
a.m.
though. My times aren't like what they would put but it's the most active times. If that makes sense. Like my Asian session is a little bit different from where other people would have. I have it
because I
from
know they
18 to midnight.
overlap. Like I know Sydney could be from like 5 to 11, and then Asian session will start at like 9 and end at like 3. You know what I mean? Or like 5, and then London session starts at like 3.
Where's the sessions at?
Wait a second, y'all niggas long.
I want to see a long right now. I can't see any cells as of right now. We'll have to push first. Where is this shit at? Where is it at? There's too much stuff in here. Ugh.
Okay.
Where is it at?
Like, you see they're fried. It says New York opens at 8 a.m. So I can't even trust these niggas.
Time frame.
New York session ain't never open at 8 a.m. for me. I guess the stock market opens.
Okay,
at
New
8,
York
right?
session 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. London session 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. Asian session 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. But I have it a little bit different. Those are 3 main ones though. The other ones don't matter in my opinion. I don't think they matter.
So, when is that shit 8 a.m.? I thought it was. Bro, what? It's whatever. I know a lot of the world goes off of the New York Open though.
Facts. They do. They go off for a lot of U.S. shit.
US ain't shit. That's the biggest thing. Like, it's so funny.
Bro.
I took the walk to Poland.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually, fucking let me wake and bake, bro.
He said, "Let me." I feel you. With the with the blanket. What a guy.
You know how you do.
All right, I'm waiting for this open though. Come on, we got 1 minute. Let's see if we're gonna go up or down. If we run down and clear that low, I might get in for a long. If we just start melting to like death, I'm just gonna hold off and I'll probably be back tomorrow. Yeah, seems about right.
You only trade in the morning?
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
only trade in New York. That's the only session I trade.
The only other session I feel like you could like efficiently trade
It's
is
London. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought about trading London. I might trade London sometimes. Me and Kel thought about going like a month where we try to trade London.
Just like it does the opposite move. Of
It's
what
like a
we find in the
reversal. It's like
morning.
I'll be looking for reverse. Like the type of trades I'll probably be looking for is I'll be waiting for price to either run Asian session lows and highs, and like tap into big figure levels or like retracements. And that's really I'm gonna be catching reversals to try to catch like the whole move for the day, and I'm gonna hold it type shit. That's probably like the way I would go about it trading London. We about to get this drop, I think, right in the open. Come on, get that drop, clear these lows, then I'm gonna go long. And it's gonna fly. It's gonna run all the way into here, fill in this makeshift candle.
They got
So you need somebody
Apple Pay
to record for your podcast?
What do you mean? Like people?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm always need people. Constantly. I'm trying to record as many episodes as possible. The more people, the better. Only if they bring
like,
value though.
for
'Cause
what
I
though?
ain't trying to just like if you have something like say you're good at something or you know something or you can bring value or you can talk about experiences on something that could benefit other people, then it's good. But if it's like I'm not trying to do it just to talk about some like stories type shit. But if it's something that could benefit someone and they give value, then I'm all for it.
But that makes sense.
Part of me wants to go long right at 800, but I want to clear this low. Come on, bro. Clear the low. Come on. So close but so far.
So Andre, where did you end up buying your Bitcoin for that account?
Instacoins. Yeah.
I'm sorry, bro. That's the bad.
Fuck it, it worked. I don't even care.
Yeah, Instacoins is kind of lame.
Fuck it, I got it through. I don't even care. I got money in crypto.com still, so I just can't withdraw it yet.
Bro, I'm telling you, put that money in crypto.com, just use that and buy extra.
All right, I'm trying to see how we react. Let's see how price reacts right here. Yeah, we're dropping, so right now I'm not getting in nothing, but if we start to retrace hard, then I'll probably look to get in around 800.
Close in that low. Yeah, just
so I'm going to say.
If you draw a fib from the high of yesterday to the low today, too, we did kind of already.
Yeah, right here. That's what I'm saying. That's all I was waiting. The only thing is just this gap I wanted to see filled. Like, even if price still wants to go lower, I wanted to see this gap get filled for me. There's like a fair value gap for you guys, more than likely. All right, we're rejecting.
Yeah, indeed. Rejected from a weird spot though.
Yeah, where's 750 at? Right here.
Yeah, let's see that pullback.
Let's see what happens. Kind of went a little deeper than I wanted.
said-
No homo.
You
But
said
hey,
pullback? Excuse me.
it's possible. Came to 79. Still possible if it still holds. I don't want to see it
feel
come
like
lower. It could
regardless,
come to
we can still-
750, but that's pushing it. That is pushing it. I kind of don't want it to drop though. Go higher, bro. Because if it just drops, I'm
The
done.
market conditions just scream bearish though. You feel me?
Yeah, I just want to see us go higher
That's
from
the
this
only
weekly low.
reason why.
That's the only thing I
I
want to
know,
see.
bro, but I feel like they're gonna start saying "fuck our technical analysis" with the bullshit. So.
Shit, they could, but all I know is my technical, so I just gotta stick by it.
That's not all you know, bro.
Yes, it
You know
is.
the
Fuck,
market.
nigga.
I mean, I
That's,
feel like they
the
Nigga,
can't
market is
change the
technicals.
You got to
algorithm.
think about it like this. You've been watching this market for like the last
But yeah, that's
what
technicals.
2 years. Yeah, but regardless of our fucking ideas or not, we still know how the market moves. So we know when that shit
Huh?
moving weird. You feel me?
But all right, hold on. You got me confused now. But aren't the ideas like what we think the market's gonna do?
Like order block, no, like order block, like all of
But that's
our
just price.
indicators
Those
and
are that's
shit.
just ways that you
Yeah.
visually look at it. But at the end
That's
of the
what
day,
I'm
it's just
saying. Though.
price.
So like when price deviates from that algorithm, we can tell. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, not really.
Nah, I be knowing when that shit's manipulated.
Nah, but I mean, manipulation's not real. That's just how the market is. It's always gonna be there.
Whatever
So
the
is it
algorithm
really?
makes you
Is
think,
it
you know?
I think it's real. I think it is just
the
a
way
part
I
of the
look at it?
market,
I
though,
don't
you
think
feel me?
manipulation is real because it's not manipulation if we know it's gonna keep happening.
I think it's like
We're
it's
rejecting,
just a part of
so
the game. Like it comes with it.
let's see how we react. But you get what I'm
have
saying?
to
Like it's
watch
not
the 1
manipulation
minute.
because we know it's gonna happen and we know it's part of the market. That's how I look at it.
I say it's manipulation because it's like it's them making a decision on where they want price to go instead of letting the algorithm direct price. It's like, all right, we're gonna pump this market because we want it to go up, so we're gonna dump like $3 trillion into it, like type shit. You feel me? Like
Yeah.
or 3 billion.
I'm trying to see. I low key want to go long right before we go past this high. I'm thinking right at this low, but at the same time, it's like, damn, bro. It's risky, but I'm in the area of interest. Oh yeah,
It
we
feels
going.
like it wants to sell. You think?
I want to see it go
I
higher.
don't
If it
like how
sells from
low
here,
it
I'm
reached.
cool with taking the low. I'm cool with taking the L if it drops, but I can't justify any sells unless we're at least 900 to
Yeah,
875. Yeah, we're
I missed
rejecting
my
that.
entry.
I ain't get in, but we'll see if it comes back
Yeah, I
lower.
would have.
More
I
than
would have
likely, if
missed
this
the
wants to
entry.
go higher, it should come lower, at least for retracement. We'll see.
Yeah, that's a husky wig.
Definitely
Let me look
did what
at
I wanted to see, though. Hopefully this allows me to get in.
68% long.
God damn.
Damn. I knew I should have got
Yeah.
in. But it went deep.
Yeah, no, it
This
does
ain't
look.
no-
It went real deep, but it looks better on.
This look like US 30.
It looks better on SPX. I'm
This
not
looks like
gonna
US
lie,
30 right
it
here.
tapped into the.
God damn.
That's the US 30 move. US 30 ain't even moved
Well,
that
that's
hard.
good because we can get in on a fair value gap right here because we did reject from the 7.9 and then come back and break structure on the 1 minute.
Yeah, let's
We
see
didn't
right here.
close above that that structure, so we'll see.
Yeah, that was. It just didn't reach on that.
If we make a wick right here and then this closes bullish, I'm gonna probably
Ooh,
get
there
in
goes.
for a long.
Fuck.
Because yesterday could be the low of the week. Yesterday is Tuesday too. That's a viable option.
Wow, man. That's crazy. That's only why I go.
Let's
Yeah,
see.
I'm mad I get in. I didn't expect
Nah,
to
it
move
might
like that.
start to pull back here. Yeah, it looks like it's about to start pulling back here. Damn, I thought it was just gonna make a reach for that fair value gap since it's right there. It might, yeah. Look at, oh
Might make a
shit.
it did touch the other the small one right below it, but oh, it's still the 813. I just like how we rejected from the 79, and then we have this fair value. Actually, the best one to take it off of would be the candle right below. There's another.
If it could come back down to like 810, take it.
I got two different limits. All right, we're not gonna look at the numbers.
Go feed my grandma in a second. Fuck, not a second.
All right, I'm in. I don't know if y'all were watching the 1 minute, but I got in on the fair value on the 1 minute. Let's see.
But so you just hopped in?
Yeah, I got two limit orders. I got one at this gap and then one at the candle right below. But this one seemed a little bit better, just because we actually closed above that break of structure.
Yeah, push down.
Now if it push all the way down from here, that'd be crazy. Then we definitely bearish, and this was a fake out. I mean, I'm so we have a bullish into the bear market line. But anyway, yeah, definitely. I mean, we still definitely have a lot of space to the top side to move. But we did make the low of the week potentially. Just thinking from like the algorithm. We'll see.
I fucking pressed my headphone by accident.